Have you ever been hurt by another person? It sucks in two related ways. First and most obviously, the hurt itself. It's not a great feeling when somebody leaves their skateboard on the sidewalk and your foot finds it. Lower back injuries? Not cool. Second, you're not just feeling pain, you're also suffering a loss. In this case, you have lost the ability to be free from that type of pain. Somebody's actions have taken that away from you. If you're laid up in the hospital for a week, then you can't go to work. You can't make money. So you're also suffering an economic loss. Now note we are talking about losses being caused by somebody else. If you leave your own skateboard on the sidewalk and you get injured, that's your fault. But on the other hand, if somebody's actions caused you a loss, then you might be able to bring a lawsuit. This could be a tort. A tort is a civil wrong committed against another person. If the law recognizes the action as a tort, then the wrong person can bring a lawsuit against the person who caused the harm. If the person who was harmed wins the lawsuit, then he or she can be compensated for what they lose. This could include pain and suffering, medical expenses, and maybe even income. The law provides that an individual who wrongly suffers harm at the hands of another can be compensated through the court system. This gives individuals a mechanism for recovery besides beating the bejeebers out of each other. Now, not all wrongs can be compensated through the courts. In order for the court to take your side and order somebody to pay up, you must first prove that the harm you suffered is one that the state is willing to back you up on. For instance, one day your significant other texts you to tell you that he's breaking up with you. He may be a total creep, and there's no doubt that you suffered a real loss, but absent any special circumstances, most courts will probably not step in. You're on your own. Likewise, say that a tornado comes and destroys your house. You suffered a tremendous loss, but there's nobody to blame. Nobody to blame equals no lawsuit. That being said, courts will often step in and protect all sorts of personal interests. These interests can include not being touched or hit by somebody, not being lied about, being able to move freely, not being injured by somebody's carelessness, the right to keep other people off of your real property. So the next time you trip over a skateboard left by somebody else, keep thinking good thoughts. You have tort law on your side.